Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, March 9th, 2016. Well, folks, I got to go over this trade setup because there's so many intricacies where you can make so much money in this market. And if you just learn these signals, they are literally paying millions of dollars out to individuals out there that know. Even if you have a small bank account or small trading account, you start small and you just double it, double it, double it, double it. Before you know it, you have millions of dollars in that account. And it exponentially will expand. So take a look at the GDX here, folks. In the Research Center, we just closed out a 28% winner on DUST, which is a 3 times short of the GDX, the miners index. And this was in 3 days. 3 days. And I'll tell you exactly how I knew the reversal was going to take place and how we captured it. And not only that, but how did we know to exit it this morning? Okay, so first off, the extended move. So anytime you see an extended move like this on any stock, especially a ETF that tracks a bunch of sector stocks, so like everything in the same sector, obviously the miners here, this is a very extended move. So it doesn't tell you, just because it's extended doesn't mean, oh, short it. That's not what you want to do. What you want to do is you want to look for the reversal signal at a key pivot point, okay? So that's what you want to do. And very clearly what we got here, notice this long tail here and a close down here. That's a topping tail. So that's a bearish signal. That's a reversal signal, right? So now what you want to do is you want to zoom out and you want to coincide it with another level. So what I see right here, take a look at this. See the gap fill right there? That's a major gap fill at a major pivot right here. So I have a topping tail at a major gap fill. Look at the move up from this low all the way up. So basically you negated this whole entire move down right into that gap fill. And again, you created a topping tail. Now the next day we got a retrace, which is what got us in the trade. Okay, so here by the time it had sold off here, I wasn't going to jump in DUST. What I did instead was wait for the next day when we retraced, which gives us a better entry on the short on GDX, but we ended up buying the DUST, which gave us 3 times exposure. By going long DUST, you got 3 times the exposure to the GDX to the downside. All right, so literally, based on that, folks, the next day we collapsed. The next day this morning we dropped. And where did I get out? Right here. 20 MA. So you see how you have to be so intricate on your exits. You have to understand the charts, not only to get in the trade, but also to get out of the trade. All right, and again, if we just go to DUST, I mean, it's going to be hard to see on the daily chart here because it's such a tiny ETF. But a move from here, we got in at 335, guys, 335. And here's your bottoming tail showing there. Look at the sell-off on that. Incredible, from $20 down to basically $3. So $3.35 entry. We exited today in 3 days at $4.30. We coincided it perfectly by looking at the GDX on the daily chart, seeing the topping tail at the major gap fill. In addition, we got out of the trade when the GDX, look at this, the GDX right here at the lows hit the 20 MA, which is support. So, I mean, we threaded the needle at the top, threaded it at the bottom, took 28+% gain in 3 days for members here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I mean, it's incredible. If you can do this, you can do anything. Here's our website. I want to show you the track record, guys, because the track record just keeps getting better. Click on Research Center underneath Investor Trade Alerts right there. Scroll over here. We'll show the whole screen. Here it is, 7-day free trial, guys. Everything's included here in the Research Center. And look at this, track record right there. Click on that, and look at the gain. I mean, absolutely insane. So far, we're not even at mid-March yet, and we're at 230%, 232.5% gain. All right, here's DUST right here. We entered it Monday, the 7th, exited today, the 9th, entry price, exit price, profit. Easily, beautiful trade, nothing hard about it, super easy, super, super easy. Here's every trade we've taken so far, third-party verified, guys, and again, look at that. Look at this awesome price action. Just absolutely awesome. Look at all these trades that we've gotten in 2016. This is just 2016, mind you. If you want to go back, you can always go back here, and you can always look at the past years. Right, you can go to 2015, almost 1,000% net gain. All right, you can go back to 2014, 13, 12, but we want to show you what's going on this year. This is recent. This is just today we exited this position. But look at these gains. U.S. Steel for 14%. SWN for 11. Here's SPXU for $3.7%. BIB for 10. I mean, these are incredible gains, folks. KMI 21%. You can see a couple losers in there. I mean, the losers are there too. There's not very many because we know what we're doing here. We use a proprietary methodology we teach you guys, and that's how it's done. So, bottom line is, guys, right here, go to Investor Trade Alerts, click on the Research Center. It'd be stupid not to take the 7-day free trial. I mean, you'd be kind of an idiot not to at least take the 7-day free trial. Try it out. You're going to be blown away. All right, take care, guys.